Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I'm always looking for items that I can reuse in my kitchen, and I have replaced my paper towels with these amazing cloth paper towels from mioeco. I use them for everything that you would use a paper towel for, but even more beyond that, I use them as washcloths and they work perfectly. They're super absorbent and soft, and they feel really good on your skin. They're not scratchy. In fact, they're made with GOTS unbleached cotton. I did wash these when I first got them as recommended by the manufacturer, and right off the bat, they were very absorbent, but the more you wash them, the more you use them, the more absorbent they become. I'm using these to wash, to dry up, and then I can even use them as a napkin in the same lunch bag that I just washed and dried with the napkin. I love that. This waffle fabric is super soft and doesn't scratch up any of the surfaces that you use it on. I got 2 10-packs and I gave one to my mom as a gift, and then I kept the other one. I'm so glad I did because these are awesome and I use them every single day. They are amazing. I really love mioeco's business practices, and they've just created an amazing quality product that you are not going to be disappointed with. I love it, and that's my point of view.